First things first, I appreciate your support. This is a Hisense washing machine giving an F13 error code. If you have a Hisense washing machine, expect this error. It's now a very common error. I've dealt with the 3 machines same week. So if you experience an F13 error code on your Hisense washer, watch this video to the end. Before I proceed, kindly like, subscribe and share. So now this is what's happening here. This machine was running, then midway the error pops up, F13 error code. Then when you stop the machine, start again, the machine won't lock the door. The error was persisting. Simple. This is a locking problem. The locking mechanism is not working. Just like other machines, before you replace the door switch, check if the hook that engages the door switch is intact. Because what's happening most of the time, if that hook is loose, like it can't engage the door switch, then the machine won't lock the door. And if the hook is loose, the latch could be the problem. So what you need to do is remove the door, remove the glass, access the locking system, ensure the latch is okay, the hook is okay, but you don't have to open the machine. Just try engaging the machine. It should have the latch, it should have some resistance. So this one, after trying everything, the F13 was still showing up. So what I did is this, and this applies to everyone. Ensure the machine is unplugged from power. Turn off the water tap, remove the pipe so that you get space where you can comfortably work. Get a flat screwdriver. There is this ring here that holds the rubber. Remove the ring, and then this is the switch. Depends on the model. This is a fully automatic door switch, so they have not put screws to hold the switch. So you just push it on the right and then pull it in, the switch will be out. Other models, you have to remove the 2 screws holding the door switch. So once I removed this, I realized that the switch was broken already. You see, there is a back panel here, a back cover on this switch. It was out. So it was lacking that resistance. So it would lock the door and release, or completely not lock. So this is the switch. It was simple on this one because I just fit everything back and the lock worked perfectly. But if you try, because guys, listen, a switch can easily blow up your machine. If you are not sure on how to repair the door switch, do not bypass. You will bypass and you'll end up replacing both. You replace the door switch, you will replace the power control panel, the motherboard. So please guys, if you can't fix the door switch, do not bypass. I discourage bypassing a door switch. There's always a model number on the machine. In fact, with Hisense, it's easier. It's just on the front. On the right hand side, you will see a model number, the model number. Use the model number, order this switch. The same procedure. There's a video I've shared on how to fit a door switch. order the switch. Do this. This is after I just repair the switch. Plug it back. Simple. F13 error code will disappear. As simple as that. If you're experiencing an F13 on your Hisense washer, order for a dual switch. Don't bypass, don't do shortcuts, because you'll end up replacing the motherboard. Guys, you see,